What's the definition of Eid? What does Eid actually mean? Eid is كل يوم مجمع. Eid is every time there is a gathering that repeats. If this gathering keeps taking place, it's called Eid, as Ibn Faris rahimahullah mentions. Khalil mentions something like that as well. He says, عاد يعود كأنهم عادوا إليه ويمكن أن يقال لأنه يعود كل عام. If you look at the word Eid, he's saying that it comes from the term عاد يعود. عاد means what? Repeated. يعود, it's repeating. And the reason why Eid is called Eid is because لأنه يعود كل عام. Every year it comes back to us again and again and again. So it repeats itself. So that's what Eid means according to the scholars of the language. Ibn 𝗪𝗵𝘂𝗶𝘂𝗁, he says سمي العيد عيدا لأنه يعود كل سنة بفرح مجدد. The reason why Eid is called Eid is because he said every year it repeats and it comes back with joy and happiness. It renews that joy into the people. Last year Eid you were happy, and then this Eid is going to come, and again you're going to go back to that happiness again. That is what Ibn 𝗪𝗵𝘂𝗶𝘂𝗁 mentions. 𝗪𝗀𝗃 rahimahullah, he says وَالْعِيدُ عِنْدَ الْعَرَبِ الْوَقْتُ الَّذِي يَعُودُ فِيهِ الْفَرَحِ. Same thing. 𝗪𝗀𝗃 said that the Eid according to the Arabs is the time in which the happiness comes back again. So it's repetition, but the repetition according to the Arab scholars is according to one of two meanings. The first one is something that comes back twice or thrice, it repeats itself many times. It's called Eid. Anything that happens a lot of times and it keeps repeating and it doesn't stop, it's called Eid. And the second meaning is if something keeps bringing back a particular feeling, the Arabs, they call it Eid as well. Like if you're happy and etc. That is what it means in the language.